Welcome everybody to Before the Millions Trading Academy. Today I'm about to give you guys an update on a $100 to $1 million challenge. As you guys know, we're taking a $100 investment and taking that to $1 million in trading capital, utilizing funded accounts. We're going to take that $100 and go ahead and buy a $12,000 account, which we did. Pass the challenge, get the live account, use, acquire some profit, withdraw, use that to cop the 25 account. Pass, use that, get the live, use that to cop the 50K, then the 100, then the 200. And we're going to keep growing and building this all the way to $1 million in trading capital. As you guys know, I'm not doing this by myself. I'm doing this right along with my students in our signal chat, sending each and every single play out to the camp, letting them know exactly how much to risk per trade. Not only how much to risk per trade, exactly when to get in and when to get out in terms of entry, stop loss, and take profit and risk parameter per every trade. So literally every single one of my students is coming along with me on this exact journey. And I'm going to show you guys how we are all crushing this all together. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on. So we went ahead and bought that $12,000 account. And this is the actual results of our $12,000 account. So here's my Funded Trading Plus dashboard. And as you guys can see, the goal with the 12K account is you have to make 10%. Now, the rule is you cannot lose more than 4% in a day. You may not lose 6% period. But the goal is to make 10% in total on this account. Now, if you're at $12,500, the total goal is $13,750. Now, as you guys can see here, I made a total profit of $1,255, which is a 10.04% gain. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. So as you guys can see here, only 9 trades lost. Only 9 trades. 9 trades were won and only 3 trades were lost on this account, with an average win trade of 174 and an average loser of $99. Now, this is pretty good numbers, right? The risk to reward in terms of average win to average loss is great. My average win is almost double my average loss, and that's great, right? And especially with my average win being larger than my average loss and having an incredible win rate, that is a recipe to abundance in terms of success when it comes to your trading, right? So let's go ahead and go deeper into the actual trade. So as you guys can see here, my win rate on this account was about a 75% win rate, which is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? That's my goal for the year, between a 70 and 80% win rate, to kind of stay in that range. And what I found and realized is when I stick to my trading plan and my rule and my routine, it's really not hard to come short of that type of percentage when it comes to my account. I just have to stay on top of my trade management and make sure I'm picking the right trades as I usually do. Right, and just sticking to the routine, So as you guys can see, pretty solid equity curve. Let's go over the closed trades. I'm not going to go over them in detail, but I want to point out a couple things when it comes to how I manage my account and how I'm managing my trades, which is the reason why I'm able to have the success I'm having with these funded accounts. So first things first, as you guys can see, my first 2 trades was an AN and a Euro USD buy. They didn't really produce much. These were both break evens. And the thing about both of these trades is they actually tapped me at break even as I was trailing my stop loss and profit, and then went ahead and went to TP. Now that hurts, all right? That hurts. A lot of traders come across that situation and it literally destroys their psychology. But I just had to go ahead and stick to my guns, stick to my rules, and keep doing what I always do. And after that, the next trade was actually a loss. So followed by 2 break evens that went to TP that I did not get to experience, followed a loss. Now, usually this would crush my psychology, and I stuck to my trading plan, stuck to the routine, did not change a single beat. And right after that, as you guys can see, 3 wins back to back to back: a Euro JPY $400 win, NOS 100 $400 win, and US 30 $400 win. My losses are only $140, $130, and you can see that the wins drastically outshine and outweigh my losses. And that's very, very important. If you have a solid risk to reward, you don't even have to have a good accuracy to be in profit. But if you have a strong risk to reward and strong accuracy, there's no way as a trader you're going to come short, right? You're always going to stay ahead of the game. And then we took another loss in AUD JPY. Euro USD after that was a break even. We kind of had some break evens. Just played a lot. 3 trades we were right across the brink. We only needed about less than 2%. And then we had a couple trades that played with us, and then gold finally got us through the door, right? So this was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful execution. And like I said, guys, my entire camp was able to take these trades with me. And I'm actually going to show you guys here So this is just just to kind of show you guys what it looks like in the signal chat. Every single time that I'm taking these plays and I'm sending them out that I'm taking them on my funded accounts, you guys can see the exact signals are coming to my account, the exact time that I'm taking the trades. And as you guys can see, I'm letting them know exactly how much to risk per trade, the stop loss, the take profit, exactly how much is at stake, because we're all in the same size account. Now that we all passed the 12K, we're going to move on to the 25K. And as you guys can see, I just want to show you guys a little bit real quick. Here's some of my students. Here's some of my students, passing their funded challenges. A whole bunch of my students just passing their funded challenges. You know what I'm saying? Passing. Right? It's consistent. It's consistent. We're winning consistently. And that's the beauty about it. I'm not winning by myself. I'm not in this world by myself. My whole camp is actually able to eat with me. So let's go ahead and keep pushing. So like I told you guys, we passed the 12K challenge. So this is the 12K challenge. Now, after we pass this, then you go on to the live $12,000 account. Now, the goal is to trade this account, make between 6 to 8%, withdraw some of our profit, and then go ahead and use this profit to buy the $25,000 challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how our $12,500 live account is currently going. So here, guys, this is the live account that we got. So the goal was to make about 6 to 8% and then go ahead and withdraw. So we had the live account for, maybe about a week or so. As you guys can see, this was the first couple trades. Gold is really doing great wonders for us. And we were making some really good profits with it. Took a couple losses, but as you guys can see, again, the risk to reward is king here. You know what I'm saying? The risk to reward is king here. Off of gold, we ran up about $300-400. You know what I'm saying? Off of JER 30 and gold again, we were up about $600-700. Damn near 1,000 within the first week. And even with some of these losses here, I can actually show you guys a screenshot of the total profit for the last, for the total account. Currently up $1,000 on the account. And again, guys, this is a $100 investment, a 12K account that I was able to take $1,000 from. If I really wanted to, I can go and just double down and go ahead and go straight for the 200K or the 100K with this. But we're gonna go step by step with my students. Let's just show them that you can make profits regardless. And really, the goal is making a return on your investment. And if you can take a $100 account, 12K account, and do almost 10% and make over $1,000, then if you can do that on a 100K account, that's $10,000 right in your pocket. You know what I mean? So on this account, the accuracy in terms of percentage is not as much, just because adding some extra positions, trying to add some add-ons to my trades, and those may become losses. But as you guys can see, a lot of these losses may be minor, $36, $14 losses, because they're add-on positions that are much smaller risk, but the reward on them is huge. You're trying to add more to my winners. But that's pretty much how the live account went. So, overall, we've been doing phenomenal work when it comes to this. We passed the first phase of this, which was the 12K challenge. We passed, on the live account, we made our 5 to 6%. We made our withdrawal. I'm going to show you guys a screenshot of that withdrawal too. And then now the next step is to go ahead and buy this $25,000 account and take it to the moon. And I want you guys to understand that, most traders that show that they're this amount funded or whatever the case may be, they don't show the process. A lot of these people may be over leveraging. They may have a big bankroll where they can over leverage and buy multiple accounts from different prop firms and really just try their hand. And, if you have $10,000 and you play the gamble game enough, you may be able to secure a 200K account and then again, full port. And, you may catch a nice little lucky streak, but it's not sustainable. So I'm showing you guys an actual sustainable model and way as which you can grow your account and trap. This is how you trap. This is how you build a business. You start small, make a return on your investment, and then you double down on your returns. And that's how we're about to do this. So I'm gonna see you guys at the moon. If you want to join us on this entire journey, in this process, go ahead and reach out, shoot me a DM me mentor. We're gonna go ahead and get you locked in so you can join us on this journey. And I can't wait for this. By the summertime, man, we're going to be either 6 figures to $1 million in funded capital, and then we're going to take it from the moon from there. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and if you guys appreciate this video, make sure you keep staying tuned. Every single day as I take these trades, I drop the reels for you guys day by day so you guys can see the exact journey and the exact process of how this thing is going, all right? So Y'all enjoy y'all day. Have a good one. Have a blessed one. We out of here.